Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone looking to restore and rejuvenate their wooden furniture and floors. We're talking about the Wood Floor and Furniture Repair Kit, a comprehensive solution for scratches and stains. Let's find out why this is one of the best restoration hardware options available. This repair kit is designed to tackle scratches and imperfections on various wood surfaces, including hardwood floors, laminate, and furniture pieces like tables, cabinets, and chairs. It comes with everything you need: wood putty in 18 different colors, a scraper, a brush, and sandpaper. Firstly, let's talk about the 18 colors of wood filler included. Whether you have oak, cherry, walnut, or any other wood finish, you can find a matching color or even mix them to achieve a perfect match. This versatility ensures seamless repairs that blend flawlessly with your existing wood. One of the standout features of this kit is its ease of use. Simply apply the wood putty to the damaged area, scrape off the excess with the included scraper, and let it dry. No need for additional glues, markers, or paints. It's straightforward and saves both time and money compared to other touch-up methods. Users have reported excellent durability, with the repairs holding up well over time. This kit provides a more reliable solution compared to furniture markers or quick-fix pens, ensuring that your repairs last. The manufacturer offers world-class support, standing by their product with confidence. If you have any issues or questions, they're ready to assist, which adds an extra layer of assurance when purchasing. It's been particularly noted for its ability to handle deep scratches and restore the original beauty of wood surfaces. The included tools make the application process smooth even for those new to DIY repairs. To wrap up, the Wood Floor and Furniture Repair Kit is truly a standout product in the realm of restoration hardware. Whether you're a homeowner looking to touch up your floors or a DIY enthusiast tackling a furniture project, this kit offers everything you need. It's easy to use, offers durable results, and comes with a variety of color options to match any wood finish. If you're interested in restoring your wooden surfaces without breaking the bank, this kit is definitely worth considering. If you've used this kit before or have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.